Many of us want to increase intuition, sharpen our mental clarity, and expand our spiritual awareness. And usually, the first place we look is the third eye, seeking a fast track to higher consciousness. But aggressively pushing to force this energy center open rarely brings the clarity you are looking for. Instead, skipping the basics frequently triggers intense headaches, acute anxiety, and an uncomfortable feeling of dissociation from reality. This image highlights the specific anatomical target we're working with today. The distinct carving between the eyebrows marks the exact location of the ajna chakra. To stimulate this center safely, we are going to use a 4-step, 5-minute sequence. This method is specifically designed to awaken your awareness while keeping you entirely grounded. Before we begin, find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Take a comfortable seated position and commit to a gentle, patient approach. True spiritual awareness requires a stable physical foundation. Attempting to elevate your consciousness without grounding your body first will simply short-circuit your nervous system. Step 1 is establishing your physical posture. Sit tall. Align your spine so your head sits directly over your heart, and let your body settle into stillness. Now we apply a specific physical mechanic called Gyan Mudra. Touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb. Extend your other 3 fingers outward and rest the backs of your hands lightly on your knees. This specific hand geometry has a deep historical and neurological purpose. Looking at this ancient stone carving of the mudra, complete with an inscribed wheel, we see the long-standing practice of linking precise hand positions to sharpened memory and deep mental focus. Your physical posture acts as your anchor. The mind cannot achieve a state of deep, sustained concentration if the body is not deliberately positioned to support it. Step 2 prepares the nervous system. We will use a preparatory breathwork technique called Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. Bring your right hand to your face. Close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale deeply through the left. Now block the left nostril and exhale slowly through the right. Inhale right, block right, and exhale left. Watch the diagram as you breathe. This breath specifically balances the logical and intuitive pathways of your brain, represented here by the 2 energy channels synchronizing around the central axis. Let's do 2 more complete cycles. Inhale left, block, exhale right. Inhale right, block, exhale left. An erratic nervous system blocks deep insight. Balancing the hemispheres of your brain is the absolute prerequisite for safely opening the third eye without inducing a state of anxiety. Step 3 is the core awareness focus. Fully close your eyes and draw your internal attention to the space slightly above the bridge of your nose. We call this ajna dharana. Within the dark space of your closed eyelids, visualize a radiant, deep blue-purple light. Watch this indigo light gently pulse and soften in rhythm with your breath. Here is a crucial physical warning. Do not forcefully cross your physical eyes behind your closed eyelids. This step is entirely about focusing your mind. It is not an exercise in straining your ocular muscles. As you rest your attention here, you might experience a normal, gentle tingling or a sense of warmth on your forehead. But if you feel pressure or pain, you are pushing too hard. Soften your focus. Your thoughts will wander, and that is completely expected. When a distraction arises, passively notice it, and then smoothly return your attention to the pulsing indigo light. True ajna dharanas is not of forcefully conjuring mystical visions. You are simply creating a quiet, concentrated internal space where insight can naturally surface on its own. Step 4 brings us to safe closure and grounding. Release your intense focus on your forehead. Let the indigo light fade, and allow your attention to drift back outward to your physical surroundings. Take a deep, normal breath. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, waking up your physical form. For the final transition, rub your palms together briskly to create heat. Cup your warm hands over your closed eyes. Slowly open your eyes into the dark, soothing space of your hands, and then gently lower them to your lap. Grounding is an active mechanical process. You are drawing accumulated energy away from your head, redistributing it downward so it settles securely into the solid foundation of your physical body. The discipline required to safely close and ground a meditation is just as crucial as the focus required to begin it. This transition is what prevents the dangerous, spaced-out dissociation that affects careless practitioners. Congratulations on completing a safe, balanced awareness sequence. You should now be experiencing the target end state, a clear mind, a sense of inner calm, and a lingering warmth. For your immediate physical aftercare, go drink a glass of water. Proper hydration helps your nervous system physically integrate the energy shift you just created. For your long-term protocol, practice this exact sequence for only 5 minutes daily. Looking at this vintage depiction of an ascetic yogi, we are reminded of the profound historical tradition behind this work. Mastery comes from patient, lifelong dedication, not attempting forceful marathon sessions. True, lasting inner vision is a byproduct of consistent, gentle, and balanced practice over time. If you found this meditation helpful, share your experience in the comments and subscribe for more.